Thank you for visiting the channel. It's good to have you back. We have simple ingredients for a very simple recipe. My mom's sweet potato pie with a twist. So let's go over these ingredients. The star of the show is going to be the sweet potatoes with the pie shells, also brown eggs, cinnamon, fresh ground nutmeg, some salt, some self-rising flour, butter, sugar, marshmallows. Stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with these marshmallows. Some people already know what I'm going to do with these marshmallows, and it's going to take you back, and some are going to learn something new. We got buttermilk. We have the vanilla extract. We also have a secret ingredient. Now I want to show you, I'm going to try to put it up to the camera so it can probably focus here. I want to show you this fresh whole nutmeg. This is what I use, and I grind it down with a grater. Okay, and you won't believe how this will level up the aroma as well as the taste in your pies. So let's try it. But if you want to buy the nutmeg off the shelf already personally grind, you can go ahead and do that too. I like my pie shells like I like my pizza, deep dish. So let's get to cooking. Our sweet potatoes have already been washed, they've already been boiled. We're going to take a fork and we're going to test to see if they're done. All you're looking for is just the least resistance. You can use a fork or you can use a toothpick. I have both here because I just wanted to show you an example. Now, once we know our sweet potatoes are done, we're going to sit the fork or the toothpick to the side. We're going to take one sweet potato and we're going to pinch in the middle, and I'm going to speed this process up because I don't want to bore you to death. But once you peel it, and if it's too hot, you can take that same fork and you can get finished peeling the potato and then sit it to the side and then work to the next and to the next and to the next. Now you should have 4 potatoes inside of the bowl already peeled back. This is your finished results. So we're going to take the mixer and then we're going to start off on a low speed and we're going to gradually mix these sweet potatoes in the bowl, working from side to side. Now as you're working it down, you're going to take it up to 2 or from low to medium according to what your mixer says. Now if you're finding any value out of this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Help me get the word out about this channel, Comfort in Cooking. Now we're going to go in with our melted butter. We're going to work it the same way on a low speed. And then we're going to go in with our sugar. We're going to start working it in also. How many people was voluntold to cook Thanksgiving dinner, and how many people volunteered to cook Thanksgiving dinner? I got a feeling that the voluntold is going to outweigh the volunteered people to cook Thanksgiving. But we know a lot of people are just going to show up to eat. Now we're going to take our eggs and we're going to take one at a time and then mix it, and then pull the second in and then mix it, and then our third, and then our fourth. Let me know in the comment box below if you're one of the ones that just pull all your eggs in, it doesn't matter, and you just mix it. Or do you follow as in putting one egg in at a time? I mean, did you sling eggs all over the place? Did it change the taste of the pie? Did it not bake right when it was in the oven? I would like to know. Just let me know in the comment box below. Look, and also the measurements of the ingredients will be in the description box below. Now it's ready for our spices. We're going to put in a little bit of salt. We're going to go in with our cinnamon. Then we're going to go in with our nutmeg, heavy on the nutmeg for me. Then we're going to go in with our self-rising flour. So we're going to take our mixer, we're going to mix that in. And once we mix all our spices in, you got to smell this aroma. The aromatics are amazing. The cinnamon and the nutmeg together just brings in the harvest season. I just wish you was here to smell this. Now, as we do that, we're going to take our buttermilk and we're going to slowly pour our buttermilk in as we're still mixing. If you found the value out of this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Help me get the word out about the channel called Comfort and Cooking, because it's all about being comfortable in your own kitchen. Now we're going to go in with the vanilla extract. And remember, I told you about that secret ingredient. Your folks are not going to believe me, but we're going in with lemon extract. That's right, people. We're going to mix it in. Check me out on Facebook, Instagram, and also TikTok. Please like, share, and subscribe. Help me get the word out about this channel, Comfort and Cooking. Now, after we mix that, we're ready to start pouring our mix into the pie shells. Look at the color of this mix. You should smell the aroma coming off the cinnamon and the nutmeg. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you. I really eye this. I don't measure it, but I just level it out to the top of the pie shell and I just smooth it out. Now y'all should know what I'm gonna do with this spatula behind the scenes. I'm gonna give you a hint. No dishwasher required. Come on now, people. This recipe is so easy. Put your cape on and get in the kitchen and start cooking. Now, after we smooth these pies out, we're gonna put it in the oven at 365 for 1 hour. Please like, share, and subscribe. Help me get the word out about this channel, Comfort and Cooking. Now the third pie, once it's done, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with those marshmallows. Remember I said, wait till the end of the video, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. Some people, you already know what I'm gonna do with these marshmallows, and some is gonna take you back. Now, I didn't use the evaporated milk. You can add evaporated milk with the buttermilk, or you can use it separate and not use buttermilk at all. Now, I didn't use the allspice either. I just went with the nutmeg and the cinnamon. You can add the allspice to those spices, or you could just use it by itself. Whatever makes you comfortable in your own kitchen. But let's get these pies in the oven. Now that these pies are brown and looking good, they look amazing. I started to put the pie back in the oven and then show you, but I want to show you exactly what I'm doing with the marshmallow. I'm not filling it in all together. I'm not filling in all the gaps. I'm just putting enough on it to melt, keeping away from the edges as much as possible. We're going to put this pie back in the oven on broil for about 2 or 3 minutes on high and keep an eye on it, and it should toast like s'mores on a graham cracker. Come on now, people. This recipe is so easy. Put your cape on and get in the kitchen and start cooking. Now, I'm supposed to be letting these pies cool down, but I had to cut me a small piece out of this pie. Well, at least I'm gonna try to cut a small piece. This is gonna be good. Look how this pie looks amazing. You gotta excuse me, folks. Let me taste a piece of this pie. This is amazing. People, you gotta excuse me. I'm gonna finish this pie off camera. Look, peace and love and happy holidays from Comfort and Cooking.